I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi protein powder step by step. Start by gathering roasted chickpeas, roasted peanuts, almonds, flaxseed, and optional dry milk or skim milk powder. Measure ingredients by weight for consistency and set up a clean, dry workstation. Keep airtight jars and a fine sieve ready for a smooth texture. Follow roast, cool, grind, sift, and blend steps for a shelf-stable homemade protein mix. Roast each ingredient separately for best flavor and texture. Use medium-low heat and stir constantly to avoid burning and bitter notes. Aim for a nutty aroma and even color change rather than deep browning. Allow all roasted items to cool completely on a tray to room temperature before processing. Cooling prevents steam and moisture from creating lumps during grinding, and it preserves natural oils for a fresher tasting powder. Grind cooled ingredients in short pulses to avoid heating the mix and releasing excess oil. Sift through a fine mesh and return any coarse pieces to the grinder until everything is uniform. Add optional flavors like cinnamon, cocoa, or a pinch of salt after the final sift and blend gently. Transfer to airtight glass jars, label with date, and keep in a cool, dark pantry or fridge for longer freshness and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.